Hi, Isaac. Hi, Isaac. Isaac is a nature baby. He likes to go outside and look at the trees and the leaves and the sun. Yes. He loves it. Yes, he likes to talk to the trees. Tell him. Tell them. You hear the birdies? Yes, he likes to listen to the birdies. And he likes to talk to them. Go ahead. Tell them what you want to tell them. Are you going to tell them? Isaac. He is mesmerized by the trees right now. Hi, Isaac. Are you outside having fun in nature? Yes. Say, I love to go on nature walks. I love to go look at the ducks. And I love to listen to the birds. Oh, see, I like fresh air. Yes. See, I love to be outside all day. You gonna talk, baby? Come on, do some more talking. Tell Mommy what you love about being outside. Tell Mommy. Say da 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 da. Da 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 da. Where's Dada? Where's Dada? Okay. See, I'm just enjoying my sunshine, Mommy. Leave me alone. Such a good baby. It's a good, sweet baby. You're gonna have teeth soon, aren't you? Oh, getting some sun. Yes. He's getting some sun. Let's do a close-up. Oh, that's a far away. Let's do a close-up. Oh, there's the baby. There he is. Oh, yeah. That's a good one. Okay, say bye-bye. So we're going to enjoy our nature day. Say bye-bye. See you later.